Welcome to cryptography session. The last topic on first unit is foundations of modern cryptography, or what are the mechanisms used in recent cryptography. So there are four main topics are available. First part is perfect security, information theory, product crypto system, and crypt analysis. So let us discuss each term continuously. Perfect security means the length of plaintext and the length of keyword should be same for implementing encryption and decryption algorithm for better ciphertext result. So the best example for these equivalent key length algorithms are polyalphabetic ciphers. These algorithms are implemented. One is Wigner cipher algorithm and another one is one-time pad algorithm. So in a Wigner cipher algorithm, we can able to take plain text and keyword. Those values will be referred in 26 cross 26 Wigner table. So it contains totally 676 ciphertext values. So corresponding plain text and key will be referred. So plain text are arranged in column order. Rows are represented for key. So we should refer the corresponding plain text letter at column, corresponding keyword letter at row. So the intercross values will be referred and that will be taken as a ciphertext value. So this algorithm is implemented with the length of plain text and the length of keys are same. In a Vernam cipher, it is only implemented with binary operations. So that means exclusive operations are done. So ciphertext is written as, it is a bit representation. So I means ith bit of ciphertext, Ci. So Ci is equal to Pi exclusive R of Ki. So I means ith bit. So Ki represents ith bit of key. Pi represents ith bit of plaintext. Ci represents ith bit of ciphertext. So for the exclusive operation, if you take A exclusive R of B, the values may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So the exclusive operation means if those values are same, the answer is 0. Others, the answer is 1. So in this way, we may able to do ciphertext. So if you want to retrieve plain text, the same exclusive OR operation can be done with corresponding part. So these two algorithms are treated as a perfect security mechanism. So recent modern cryptography, these two algorithms are used. And information theory means there are two types of encryption schemes are available. One is called unconditionally secure encryption and another one is a computationally secure encryption. If you want to implement unconditionally secure encryption, it needs a lifetime expansion of usage of key. So if an attacker trying to retrieve a plaintext or key, the retrieved or the stealed ciphertext generated does not contain enough information for determining the unique plaintext, and an opponent is impossible to decrypt the ciphertext because of the non-required information or the lagging informations of plaintext or key notations. And in second technique is computationally secure technique, which means that few calculations may be done. So the calculations are based upon the cost and time. And always cost of breaking the ciphertext is always higher than the cost which is applied for the conversion of plain text to ciphertext. And if you able to write it in time order, time of breaking ciphertext code is higher than or more than the time which is implemented for the conversion of plain text to ciphertext. So we should consider these two secure encryption algorithm, and these encryption mechanisms are also called as information theory. The third topic of modern cryptography is a product crypto system. Another name for product crypto system is a block cipher that repeatedly performs substitution and permutation operations. So after substitution, there may be the possibility of using permutation. After permutation, we may subsequently use substitution. So one after other, we may able to implement these two operations in a repeated manner. So at last, it may able to produce ciphertext. So the best block cipher symmetric encryption algorithms are DES, AES. DES means Data Encryption Standard. AES represent Advanced Encryption Standard. So these two are the best symmetric encryption algorithm. The difference between these two algorithms are plain text, number of plain text in one block is 64 in DES. But in AES, the block size of plain text should be 128 bit. And the last component of modern cryptography is crypt analysis. So I already told that crypt analysis is a science and art of breaking a secret code. So there are different techniques are available for decryption of message. So crypt analysis represents the decryption of that secret code without using encryption knowledge. So those type of techniques are called crypt analysis. So the study is needed for cryptanalysis, which helps for breaking the secret code. So if you break the secret code, the cryptanalyst may able to get a key and a plain text. So here cryptanalyst is a person who try to do the breaking of secret code. So these all four techniques are come under a modern cryptography. And few review questions are discussed here. So it is given to you. So I hope that you are aware the answers for these 15 questions. So these questions are mostly relevant to the first unit portions. So I am not giving the problematic part. So I am only giving the theoretical portions of unit 1 questions. So some questions may be asked in 2 marks or 6 marks or 8 mark questions. So I am giving the list of questions to you. So you try to retrieve the answers for these questions for better understanding of first unit portions. So now I am giving the problem to you. So I only give the plain text. It is a common plain text. You want to use all substitution and transposition techniques. Here I am not giving affine cipher. So I am only giving a monoalphabetic cipher, CCS cipher technique with key as 4. Playfair cipher implementation, Hill cipher. So you try to implement Hill cipher. So the third problem, you do the third problem with encryption only, because it will take more time for completing decryption also. So you only do encryption. So I am not giving a 3 cross 3 value. I only represent 3 rows. So you fill your own 3 values. So using that 3 cross 3 values, you do the encryption operation. So if row is given, you should take 3 values at a time and you should do the encryption operation. And Wigner cipher, Vernam cipher, transposition technique, here row major values are given. So the 6th point is no key operation. 7th portion is key operation with key. And you should do double transposition technique. So I am giving the overview idea of the basic security mechanisms and the basic classification of encryption techniques which comes under first unit. I hope that you better understand by using these videos. Thanks for listening. We'll see in unit 2 videos. Thank you.